Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to increase your PayPal credit limit. PayPal Credit works like a revolving credit line, and if you want more flexibility, you can request a higher limit directly from your account. To get started, log into your PayPal account and go to your PayPal Credit section. Look for the option that says Request Credit Limit Increase. When you click it, PayPal may ask you for updated financial details like your income, housing costs, or employment information. This helps them decide if you qualify for more credit. After submitting the request, PayPal reviews it instantly in most cases and lets you know if the increase is approved or denied. A few things can improve your chances of approval. Always make on-time payments, avoid maxing out your current credit limit, and keep your PayPal account in good standing. Having a history of responsible use makes PayPal more likely to extend additional credit. If your request is denied, don't worry. You can try again later after building more positive payment history. And remember, PayPal may also automatically raise your limit over time if they see consistent and responsible use. And that's it. To increase your PayPal credit limit, request it through your account, provide the necessary details, and maintain a good repayment record to boost your chances. Subscribe the channel for more videos.